Pemirsa, pada hari terakhir pertemuan tahunan IMF World Bank Minggu 14 Oktober 2018, Menteri Keuangan Sri Mulyani menyampaikan berbagai hasil dan capaian selama berlangsungnya perhelatan internasional tersebut. Dalam kesempatan tersebut, sejumlah kalangan memuji dan mengapresiasi kesuksesan Indonesia sebagai tuan rumah selama 7 hari.
Para pimpinan lembaga keuangan multilateral juga memuji kinerja panitia nasional yang berhasil melangsungkan acara di tengah bencana alam yang melanda, mulai dari gempa Lombok, Palu, Situbondo, hingga terakhir di Manado. Direktur Pelaksana IMF Christine Lagarde mengucapkan terima kasih kepada Indonesia yang berhasil menjadi tuan rumah acara besar ini. Hal ini disampaikan dalam acara penutupan pertemuan tahunan IMF World Bank yang dihadiri oleh sejumlah delegasi, peserta, dan panitia.
So good afternoon to all of you. Bonjour à tous. Selamat sore. Terima kasih Indonesia atas semua Sherry, Leila, Anda. Excellent, very good. Okay, I tried really hard. Now, just for the sake of avoiding any doubts, I say Indonesia, yes. I don't want to give a big speech, but I just want all of you in the room to understand that this incredible achievement actually started 3 years ago. It's a long voyage to Indonesia that all of us have embarked upon when Indonesia was selected from a list of many candidates as the best possible location to have the meeting of the World Bank and the IMF. And some members here present in this room started working like crazy 3 years ago. So if you allow me, Pak Luhut, to ask the Indonesian planning team comprising the IMF, the World Bank, and the Indonesian team members to stand up and be recognized, I would like to do that. Please.
Dalam kesempatan tersebut, Menteri Keuangan Sri Mulyani pun mengucapkan terima kasih dan apresiasi yang tinggi kepada semua kalangan yang telah membantu mensukseskan pertemuan besar ini. Sri Mulyani menyatakan, acara ini memberi Indonesia suatu panggung untuk menampilkan betapa indah, beragam, ramah, dan mengesankannya Indonesia. Mulai dari seniman, penari, UMKM, BUMN, hingga hotel tempat menyelenggarakan, semua bekerja sama dengan baik.
For all stakeholders that has contributed to this successful 2018 annual meeting IMF World Bank, really all stakeholders, I cannot name it one by one, but they are all very, very important. From the day that all the participants arrive in the airport, immigration, liaison officers, volunteer, the police, security from PNI, military, and everybody. It's just amazing, the all feedback that we receive from all participants, minister, governor, participant there, or no one giving any even small complaint about this event. So it's very special. I would like to also thank for all the participants of this IMF annual meeting, because all delegates, they always start by expressing condolences, sympathy, and support to the natural disaster affected area, Lombok, Palu, Donggala. So these are all boosting our even motivation more to do the right thing, to rebuild the people as well as the livelihood and the economy, both in Lombok as well as in Palu and Donggala.
Dengan suksesnya pelaksanaan pertemuan internasional ini, Indonesia dinilai telah memberikan standar baru dalam pelaksanaan acara serupa di kemudian hari. Agung Ria dan Saputra, Bali TV.